Happy Cinco de Mayo, y'all. And today, I'm so excited. We're doing the best homemade El Fenix cheese enchiladas. And this came as a subscriber request from Heather at the way home, all the way from Australia, you guys, who is homesick for Tex-Mex just like I am. And I was like, of course I will do this. And so we're gonna do the Wednesday special. And if you're from Texas and you've been to El Fenix, you know that their special is beef, chicken, or cheese enchiladas for $5.99. But guess what, you guys? I'm giving you a deal today. 50% off, you guys. Just run me $3 and I got you covered. We're gonna do the cheese enchiladas along with a roasted salsa from scratch, you guys. Today is the day, and this recipe is going to be under my Copycat restaurant recipes. Make sure you check it out. Let's go. So I went to my local Asian market and picked up some of my veggies for my salsa, and you guys, highly recommend you visit your local Asian market. They have such a huge variety of fresh veggies and those hard to find peppers and different things. I mean, it is so good. I got some yucca there, and you'll see that in another recipe, but we're gonna get started. So I have my jalapenos and tomatillos, some lime, and a bunch of cilantro, Roma tomatoes, and then I have a large white onion, but you can use any kind of onion you like. And then I'm gonna throw some garlic cloves in there and salt and pepper. So I'm going to peel the tomatillos, and they're gonna have like a sticky film, so make sure you rinse all of your veggies. I rinse mine in apple cider vinegar. And then I'm just gonna throw a little oil on the garlic, and then put it under the broiler and turn it halfway, 20 minutes, and here you go, you guys. Beautiful roasted veggies. So now I'm starting with yellow onions, as well as a couple of cloves of garlic, some masa harina, a can of tomato sauce, and a can of enchilada sauce, which I am following their recipe. I make my own enchilada sauce, but we're gonna do it today. Salt and pepper and broth, cayenne, and then chili powder. So I use Gerhardt. I swear by this stuff. It will be in the description. Some paprika and cumin, and I'm also going to be doing sharp cheddar, but you can use any type of cheese blend you prefer. And then I have some corn tortillas, which I put on the griddle with a little bit of oil just to get those little brown bits, and gives you a great texture. So highly recommend you do that. And then I use half of a pound of 85-15. Now you can do a pound to 2 pounds as the recipe follows, but I want to taste the cheese enchiladas, so I just put half a pound. So I'm just gonna season up my meat, and while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to go ahead and click subscribe. And thank you so much to all of my supporters and those who are watching my videos, commenting and liking. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much, and shout out to my fellow creators. So I just put in a tiny pinch of sugar just to kind of round out some of that acidity from the tomato sauce. And then I'm just going to add in my chicken broth, and it's gonna thicken up. So that masa harina is what kind of gives you that thickened gravy-like texture. And so I also made some adjustments to this recipe, and that will be reflected in the description box. So for my filling, I am going to take an onion, and I, as you can see, have minced it. So we don't do chunky raw onions, and I just wanted it to blend well, so I just mix that in, but totally optional. So the canned enchilada sauce goes into the bottom of the pan, and I put quite a bit, so as you can see, it gives me the opportunity to be able to kind of do like a dip and fill and roll. Make sure you put seam side down, and then there you go, you guys. You have your crispy shells that are going to be toasty and hold up with that sauce, so it's so good, you guys. Then I'm just going to drizzle and cover. No cheese was put on it. We're going to put that in the oven, covered in foil, so that the middle will melt. So to a mini chopper, I'm going to put my cilantro and my peppers and tomatoes and all that. And I did in a couple of batches, but you know, I was being lazy. I didn't want to pull up the big boy, but just chop it up. And I do a fine chop, but you can do a chunkier chop, whatever your taste is. And then that lime juice is going to brighten it up, and make sure you taste it and salt and pepper it to your taste. So out of the oven, here are your enchiladas. I'm gonna throw on some shredded and just cover it and set it off to the side. And here you go. These are so delicious, and this recipe actually came from Fox 4 News at a local station. It will be in the description box, but hold on now. Go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. Look at that. So amazing. Hope you guys try this recipe out. I hope you guys enjoy your Cinco de Mayo holiday, and thank you again, Heather, for the suggestion. I appreciate you so much. And also, you guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video. Bye, y'all.